Are you wondering where your Shopify orders are coming from? Not sure how to use the conversion API for your ads? Don't worry. Shopflyer Attribution Pixel is here to help. It can give you all the data you need. Here's what we can do for you. 1. Track where all your Shopify orders are coming from. 2. Set up UTM parameters for you to use. 3. Install Pixel with one click. No need to deal with code. 4. Get conversion API ready for you to use. Ready to try it? Let's get started. First, go to the Shopify App Store and install Shopflyer Attribution Pixel. Next, take a look at our beginner's guide. It only takes 3 steps to set everything up. 1. Connect your ad account. 2. Install Pixel and choose your conversion events. 3. Add our Chrome extension to make UTM parameters. Once that's done, you can see where each Shopify order is coming from right on the order attribution page. You can use all this data to make better choices for your marketing. Shopflyer connects your Google, Facebook, and TikTok ads and puts everything in one place. It includes affiliate, email, social media, and more. With Shopflyer, you can see all your data in real time and improve your ROI. Ready to step up your marketing game? Try Shopflyer today and see the difference it can make.